is built for PC builders who want the right mix of power, style, and practicality. With modern features, clean aesthetics, and strong cooling support, it's designed to take your gaming setup to the next level. The Foifkin F600 offers a high-performance chassis with a stunning 270-degree panoramic tempered glass panel that really puts your components and RGB lighting on display. It comes with 6 pre-installed ARGB reverse fans that not only look good but also move plenty of air while staying quiet thanks to dynamic speed control. Inside, you get support for multiple motherboard sizes plus room for a 360mm radiator, giving you enough flexibility for both mid-range and high-end builds. Handy features like USB Type-C and a tool-free hinged glass panel make upgrades and maintenance much easier. With its bold design, solid airflow, and user-friendly layout, the F600 definitely stands out for anyone building a stylish gaming PC. However, one user pointed out a noticeable issue. All 7 of the included fans are daisy-chained into a single PWM header. This puts too much load on the header and causes the fan speeds to pulse constantly. When tested individually, each fan worked fine, so the problem comes from them all being connected together. Splitting the fans across multiple PWM headers would easily solve this and give much smoother speed control. Overall, the Foifkin F600 has a lot going for it, but the fan setup holds it back from reaching its full potential. With a small change from the manufacturer, this case could easily become a top pick for many PC builders. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe, stay smart, and stay prepared.